Okay, so number one is we all complained because the breakfast was uneatable. We all complained. Mi smo se svi žalili. Why did you complain? What did you complain about? Bi bilo pitanje. Jer je doručak bio nejestiv. Nejestiv u smislu it wasn't delicious, it wasn't tasty, it wasn't good. Sad ono što sam htjela da vi obratite pažnju jeste da postoje dva prideva. Jedan je ovaj eatable ili uneatable, a drugi je edible. Edible. Dakle, kad je nešto eatable, evo da pročitamo, something that is prvo edible, vidite spelling je drugačiji, izgovor drugačiji, something that is edible doesn't have to be eatable. So, edible is simply safe to consume. It's in order to survive. Znači, edible je jestive pečurke, znači smeš da ih jedeš, nisu otrovne. Edible znači da je nešto jestivo, da sme da se pojede. A eatable is both edible, znači eatable naravno prvenstveno mora da bude edible, ali it's also enjoyable due to its taste, ali je i prijatno ti je dok jedeš zbog ukusa. Dakle, kad hoćete da kažete da je nešto loše, da vam se ne sviđa, možete reći this soup is uneatable. Znači, uneatable, jak. Ali, I don't know, these mushrooms are unedible. Ako nisu edible, to znači they are dangerous to eat. Opasno ih je jesti. Okay, so the breakfast was uneatable. Okay, next one. She calls him every night and she talks for at least 1 hour. So present simple tense. She calls him every night and she talks for at least an hour, ili možemo reći 4 hours, priča satima. So, how often does she call him? How often does she call him? She calls him every night. And for how long do they talk on the phone? Well, they talk for at least an hour, or she talks to him for at least, makar barem, an hour, sat vremena. Okay, there's not a moment to lose. So, we must hurry up. The time is running out. There's not a moment to lose. Znači, moramo da požurimo, vreme nam ističe, nemamo ni trenutak da gubimo. There's not a moment to lose. Or we don't have a moment to lose. We must hurry up. We have to hurry up and go. The time is running out. There's not a moment to lose. Lose, izgubiti. You don't have to go to the party unless you want to. Unless. You don't have to go unless you want to. Dakle, ne moraš da ideš na tu zabavu ako ne želiš. Dakle, unless je manje više sinonim za if. S tim što ovde iza if bi morali da stavimo odrečni oblik. You don't have to go to the party if you don't want to. A iza unless ide potvrdni oblik. Unless you want to. So, you don't have to eat this if you are not hungry. You don't have to eat this unless you're hungry. Dakle, iza unless potvrdni oblik. Iza if odrečni. Okay. I didn't have time to put things away before you got here. Dakle, izvinjavamo se. I apologize for the mess. Izvinjavam se zbog ovog nereda ovde. I didn't have time to put things away before you got there. Nisam imao vremena da rasklonim stvari. Put things away before you got here. Pre nego što si ti stigao ovde. So, I apologize for the mess. Okay. I like that sweater. However, it only comes in one color. Sviđa mi se taj, for example, I like the sweater, but I don't like the color. Sviđa mi se džemper, ne sviđa mi se boja, ali however, kako god, it only comes in one color. Dolazi samo u jednoj boji, bukvalno. It only comes in one color. I have a lot of money and enough time to use it, so everything is okay. I have a lot of money, imam mnogo novca, and I have a lot of time to use it. A imam i dosta vremena da iskoristim taj novac. No matter how hard I try, I can't do it any better. What should I do? No matter how hard I try, bez obzira koliko se ja trudio, I can't do it any better. Ne mogu da to uradim, šta god da radim, ni malo bolje. No matter how hard I try, I can't do it any better. Tom hasn't finished all his homework yet. Ok, present perfect. Samo da se podsjetimo sa yet na kraju, još uvek. Nije završio svoj domaći. He hasn't finished all his homework yet. Dakle, yet ide na kraju. I u odričnoj hasn't finished ga prevodimo sa još uvek. Ako kažem da li je završio domaći, mogu da kažem has he finished all his homework yet? I opet stavim na kraju, ali u pitanju i onda prevodimo da li je kao already, da li je već završio. Has he finished it yet? He hasn't finished it yet. Nije još uvek završio. Dakle, menja se značenje. U odrično je još uvek, u pitanju bi bilo kao da li je već. Has he finished it yet? No, he hasn't finished it yet. He apologized to me for stepping on my foot. So he stepped on my foot and he said, oh, I'm so sorry. And then he apologized. Izvinio mi se što mi je nagazio na nogu. He stepped on my foot and then he apologized. You'd better not go out in this cold weather. You'd better, pričali smo o tome, znači bolje bi bilo da. Uvijek je tako, ovo d je had, ali se nikad ne piše u suštini c oblik you had, nego samo tako you'd better i plus infinitiv glagola, ili u ovom slučaju negativni not go ili go, i znači kažemo nekom bolje bi bilo da. You'd better go, you'd better not go out, bolje bi bilo da ne izlaziš po ovom hladnom vremenu. 12. I have a feeling that I have been here before. I have a feeling, sada imam osjećaj da sam bio ovde pre. That I have been here before, present perfect. I don't know when, ili nije bitno when. Znači, onda koristimo perfekat. Kad ne znamo kada u prošlosti, nije bitno kada u prošlosti, when. So, I have a feeling that I have been here before. Okay. He thought it over and then he decided not to go. He thought it over. Promislio je opet o tome. Think it over. Well, I have. I have thought it over, or I thought it over, and he decided ipak not to go. Ali, however, he decided not to go. Odlučio da ipak ne ide. He thought it over. So think it over. Porazmisliti o tome. O nečem. Okay. She was coughing and sneezing all day. She was coughing and sneezing all day. Znači, past continuous. What was she doing all day? Well, she was coughing and sneezing. Kašljala i kijela. I'm not surprised that he never progressed in his career. He was never promoted. I'm not surprised that he never progressed in his career. Well, nisam iznenađen što on nikada nije napredovao u svojoj karijeri. Nije se ni trudio. He was never promoted. Nikada nije bio unapređen. He was never promoted. He never progressed in his career, and I'm not surprised. I wish I had wings to fly. I wish I had wings to fly. Vola bih kad bih imao krila da letim. Is a wish, I wish, u prezentu koristimo prošlo vrijeme. Iako se ne odnosi na prošlo vrijeme, odnosi se na sada. So, I wish I had it now. I wish I could. Znači, is a wish, prošlo vrijeme. Nešto kao drugi kondicional, gdje koristimo prošlo vrijeme iako se to o čemu pričam odnosi na sada ili na budućnost, a ne na prošlost. So, can you help me? Well, I wish I could. Pa, voleo bih kad bih mogao da ti pomognem sada, ali ne mogu. I wish I could. I wish you were here. Voleo bih kad bi ti sada bio ovde, ili da si ovde. I wish you were here. Ne I wish you are, nego I wish you were. Iza wish uvek vreme ispod. Will you help me carry this bag? Well, I wish I could. Will you help me carry this bag? Hoće mi pomoći da ponesem ovu torbu? I wish I could. Or, yeah, sure, I will help you. Her boyfriend left her because she was too demanding. Her boyfriend left her. Why did he leave her? Zašto je ostavio? Why did he leave her? Well, she was too demanding. Bila je suviše zahtevna. I didn't expect that he would demand that. Nisam očekivao da će on to da zahteva. I didn't expect that he would. Znači nije will, da će, nego would. Slaganje vremena tako imamo u prvi u prošlosti. I didn't expect that he would come. I didn't expect that he would demand that. Da će doći, da će zahtevati. Demand. He doesn't live in the flat now. It's empty most of the year. So flat is British for apartment. In American English. Stan. So he doesn't live in the apartment, so it's empty most of the year. On ne živi u stanu, tako da je stan prazan većinu godine. Most of the year. He went on talking without a pause for hours. He went on talking or he kept talking, znači non stop je pričao bez pauze satima. To go on, nastaviti sa nečim. So he just went on talking without a pause for hours. Go on, tell me who's on the list. Go on, znači hajde. Go on, nastavi. Kaži mi ko je na listi. Tell me who's on the list. We can't just go on arguing all the time. We can't just go on arguing. Imali smo ovde go on talking, go on arguing. Ili keep, kaže, može da se koristi ovde. We can't just keep arguing all the time. Ne možemo samo da nastavljamo da se svađamo sve vreme. We can't just go on arguing all the time. He simply slammed the door on him. Samo je jednostavno mu je zalupio vrata. To slam the door, zalupiti vrata. He simply slammed the door on him. Why do so many people fail to speak English? Why do so many people fail to do something? Znači, zašto toliko ljudi ne uspe da? So, why do so many people fail to speak English? Ili zašto ne uspeju da to speak English well, to speak English fluently? I'm going to make you pay for this. Što bi mi rekli, platit ćeš mi za to. Mislim, bukvalno natjerat ću te da mi platiš zato što si uradio. I'm going to make you pay for this. He tried to grab my arm. Pokušao je da zgrabi moju ruku. Ovdje već imamo prevod. Zgrabiti, grab. He tried to grab my arm. He grabbed her by the hand and took her outside. Zgrabio je za ruku i izveo napolje. He grabbed her by the hand and he took her outside. We use a knife, fork and spoon to eat with. Znači, what do we use to eat with? Šta koristimo da bi jeli? What do we use to eat with? Well, we use a knife, a fork and a spoon to eat with. You shouldn't play with knives. Znači, ne bi trebalo da se igraš sa noževima. You shouldn't play with knives. Take the spoon out of the mug before you drink. Ovo je iz onog vica. Kada on kaže svaki put kad pijem čaj zaboli me oko, pa kaže take the spoon out of the mug before you drink. Pa izvadi kašiku i šolje pre nego što piješ. I want you to kill him tomorrow. Želim da ga ubiješ sutra. I want you to kill him tomorrow. I don't want to see him again. Ne želim više da ga vidim. I don't want to see him again. He looked at Tom sadly. Pogledao je tužno u Toma. He looked at Tom sadly. He betrayed his wife with another woman. Prevario je svoju suprugu sa drugom ženom. He betrayed his wife with another woman. He was unfaithful to his wife. Ili he cheated on his wife. So he was unfaithful, neveran, to his wife. He betrayed her and he cheated on her. Do you need additional information? Da li vam trebaju neke dodatne informacije? Do you need additional information? Everyone laughed and had lots of fun. Svi su se smijali i zabavljali dobro. Everyone laughed and they had lots of fun. They live apart, but they still love each other. Žive odvojeno, ali se i dalje vole. They live apart, but they still love each other. The letter made him feel better. Pismo je učinilo da se on osjeća bolje. The letter made him feel better. Letter better. He roughly estimated that it would take them 2 hours. Ovo je baš dobra rečenica. So roughly. Nije exactly, nego je roughly. Znači kad je exactly, onda je tačno. Kad je roughly, znači più o meno, više manje. Znači, otprilike je estimated, procenio da će im trebati 2 hours to get there, da stignu tamo. He roughly estimated that it would take them 2 hours. Okay, that's it. See you next time. Bye.